Alright guys, today we're back in the Braille house and we got some exciting news. One, that we just got these new Braille completes. Two, that I'm about to surprise the boys with something that they don't know. I got McNug with me because I leaked the info to McNug. But today, we're about to play a game of skate on the new Braille boards with the trucks backwards. So I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna fix it all up. I'm gonna fix it all up, make them backwards. Then I'm gonna go surprise the team. I don't show them.
You gotta go this way. Come on.
Yeah. The boys aren't gonna know what hit them right now. I can't wait to see the reaction.
I can't wait to see somebody like go up to the 3 block, run up and freaking get bodied.
This is about to be one of the best game of skates in the history of the Braille house. Because they don't know what they're in for at all.
How big of a difference is this going to make?
I feel like this is gonna be the worst game in Braille history.
I never even rode a board like this. I think like once when I was a kid I messed up my truck.
Yeah, I think I put one wrong before when I was little.
Posers.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. If you skate, you ain't a poser, no matter what. Let's see it.
Bro, that is like...
It looks like a ripstick.
Is it weird?
That's mind illusion. It gave me a headache type stuff.
Really? Just like doesn't make sense?
Yeah, it's like...
I wonder if you skated a board like this long enough, you just get used to it. It's like driving a car in reverse.
Wait,
like,
can I see it?
Yeah, go.
Is it really that weird?
Yes. It's like, you know how when you drive a car in reverse, everything's backwards? Well, it's like that 2 different ways.
What the heck?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it's like a mind trick.
Get out of here.
So leaning
Go back. Can you please go back? It's part of the video. I'm going to surprise you, brother. Don't worry. I'm going to surprise you with the surprises of surprises.
So leaning left.
Let's see it. Let's see it boneless on this.
Doesn't it hurt your head?
Dude, it doesn't make any sense.
It's counterintuitive.
Oh, God. I want to make it to the table. Jesus.
The trick is to just not turn at all.
Yeah, I guess so.
All right, let's go show this to the boys.
Wait, should I do a boneless on this thing?
Yeah.
No, never mind.
Leave in the comments below, what do you think they're going to say? You think they're going to like it, or they're going to be like, or what do you think their reactions are going to be?
Hey, shout out that old brand Big Dog for dads that used to barbecue too much.
Oh, look who it is. Hey, no lie, bro. I got this new Braille grip tape. This new Braille grip tape. Hey, you see this Braille grip tape?
Yeah.
Bro, do a kickflip for me real quick, Rick. Roll. Try to kickflip.
It's a new
Just tell me how the grip is. Yeah, because we're testing out the grip.
What's going on?
You're trying out the new grip.
Oh! Okay, maybe we shouldn't have done that.
Uh-oh.
What happened? Whoa! An unexpected error has occurred. You can't turn? Did you mean to do that?
Oh, leave in the comments below.
You can't turn?
It's opposite day.
Beep, beep, oh. That's wild.
It's like drunk goggles, but for your feet.
I'm going to break it to you.
What happened?
We joined in today to play skate. We're playing skate on the boards backwards. S-K-A-T-E.
Bro, hey,
skate.
I don't know what it is about that grip tape, but it's hard to balance.
Hey, that's the point of the game. We did dizzy skate. Now it's time to do backwards skate. See how that...
What if you go fakey? Is it regular?
Wait, oh!
Whatever.
Okay, watch this,
We're
watch this.
making it up.
Watch this, ready for this? Oh, God. Oh, got it. I got it. You really have to turn the opposite. Okay, it's so hard. I thought I could figure it out, but...
I could be the judge, though. Hey, I could be the judge because I made it.
No, I gave you the barrel flip.
Wait, we just need a quick barrel flip to start out.
Team's game was
Wait, we just quick No, wait, let's just get a quick barrel
Stand
flip.
on it. Don't roll.
Yeah, roll.
Oh, I know what this is.
Gave it away!
I know exactly what this is.
What?
Game's on my team.
Yeah, let's go.
Now that's how you make an appearance right there.
Oh, wait, we're
Should we do me and you sing as we skate at this football?
Yeah.
No, I'm no team captain.
No, yeah, team captain, Mo. Please. Please, big dog.
I'll take my team down like a sunken ship.
No, you won't.
I gotta be a mate.
Can we do that? I feel like that makes more sense.
Gabe, glove.
No, you, big dog.
Stretching the neck. The sternocleidomastoid's
You
got
want
to be
me to be a team
stretched.
captain?
Please, thank you.
Trigger points, baby.
Are you guys pumped? You guys look so excited.
I like this grip thing.
Can't wait.
Really excited until I went and did a varial flip on it, and I literally rolled my ankle. It hurts
You
really
landed
bad.
that. That's
I don't know what happened.
Hey, stop
Hey, no
practicing.
cheating.
Yeah. All right, all right.
The rule is you have to be rolling, right? That's the only way that this game is actually different.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
All right, get off the board, brother. We'll go Rochambeau this time.
Oh, should we do this thing?
No, we'll go Rochambeau. Oh, first time in rookie. I'm gonna go with, cause I feel like this is all crazy and like, all like just out of its world. I gotta go on my man Uzi. I gotta.
Wise, that's a wise choice. Wise choice. I've been practicing with backwards trucks for years.
He was
figured
blowing
this would
backwards.
work. I figured you were the perfect.
All right, I'm going to go with Chris McNugget.
Nice.
I didn't get picked
Wow.
last this time.
I was born with backwards trucks.
Who you want?
Who else is left? Wait,
I'm gonna go with my brother Mose, cause he's nuts too.
you didn't pick Gabe? I'm gonna go with.
A man doesn't have to move. I would go with Jamie Griffin.
I'm gonna go with. Nah, just kidding. We love you, GC0.
You already know we love him.
You
That last
already shut
pick.
it down with the barrel flip. We already landed the most amount of tricks.
you only got picked last because everybody else is warmed up and you're not. That's the only reason.
I would have picked you.
That's what they want you to
All right.
Why you guys making it seem like I didn't want to pick Gabe? I love Gabe.
You did it. Otherwise,
I know that's how it is.
I was gonna pick him next.
fine,
and
I
you
wouldn't have
took
picked
my
me
pick.
He's pushing a trick. Kind of, huh?
You could go. You could pick a line to line, brother.
All right, let's hit it with an ollie. All right, see, I got a bit of experience with this. I remember how to ride it.
barely snaked out of that one. Yeah! That's
Yeah.
what I'm talking about, brother. That's what we do around here. We ride backwards. Stop messing around over there, brother.
Oh!
And can we please just note that the Braille B shows which way is the nose. He definitely did. He had it back to front as well, so more evidence that he was born backwards because he landed that so sick.
Like a barbecue play. Oh! You got it. You got it, big dog. Nice. You're right.
I'm gonna go home and eat it.
Alright, you know what? It doesn't matter who wins or who loses, as long as we all have a good time. That being said, Bogle, you better land this new kick off.
That's what I like to hear.
It's like he's serious, you know he's not.
That's what we want. Like literally not even.
Next set, I'll try it again.
That's what protein brings! Right there!
Pumping iron for that three.
You guys gotta start barking every single time someone makes a land.
Mark him up, homie.
I got a pretty nice S.
Whoa, 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 no gang signs, no gang signs.
That's a sick ass.
Thanks, man. I got a nice S.
Oh my god, yeah!
Dang!
What were you doing? That was sick though. Where'd you put that?
Ollie Hill.
Oh.
I'll try it. That was sick, Chris. Oh, that felt pretty good, honestly.
I think 3 tries and you're out.
Yeah.
What? I did it. I mean, I did the trick.
Were you happy with it?
Yes.
Oh, he's happy with it. I don't know what to say with that. I was hoping you'd say no.
I mean, I definitely lied, but
Big bees round.
Well, if your team broke you the news, I'm sorry, brother.
Oh my god!
Hey, straight out the gym.
Yeah, where's the bark?
That's like a sea lion.
Oh!
Look at this, our team.
You need a spotter.
This is for the weight. This is for the new weight set, brother.
no way! Hey, it's our last letter. I don't even know how that happened, but it happened. Most of the time on last letters, if I haven't done that trick before, I toss one to see what it feels like, and then I full send the second one. And usually I land it, but sometimes I don't. Like right now, I probably won't.
Wow. Oh my god, what the?
Did you see what happened? Stacking clip.
What?
Oh my gosh.
I didn't get it. I didn't understand.
Yeah, I was so confused.
Oh my god. Switch flip?
I'll try to switch flip.
Did you land one earlier?
Nah,
Oh.
I
all
got
good.
you, Captain. They're over here talking behind your back.
it's all good. It
I
happens.
got his back.
That's what I like to hear.
Wow.
That was nice.
Oh!
Tie it up. I that's a mascot.
Wow.
Wow. Look at that. That's us.
I didn't even notice that.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Chris is gonna land.
Hey, whoa, watch out, bro. This is my personal space, brother. This is impossible. You know what? I was doubting, but you know what? I think Ricky's one of us. When you're so buff, you know, you're top heavy. So we kind of, I think he's a bodybuilder.
Oh my God.
I'm about to land this. Oh, let's go.
Oh.
Good game, Gym Rats. Good game. Hey, you guys outlived the competition today. You guys,
Finally.
good job. It's all right.
Y'all got us on the bump the bar, though. It's okay, brother.
We'll have a gym sesh with you guys.
All right, sweet. Let me sell this real quick.
It's a buffet.
Wait, why A? There's SK8.
Yeah, it's an A. It's an A.
All right. Let me do the outro.
Let me fix this real
Put a
quick.
T and an E at the end.
It's an A.
There, it's
That's
a long.
an act.
All right, you ready?
No, that's a long A.
All right, come on.
Right?
I'm hungry. Shut up. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. That was one of the hardest games to skate. If you guys ever feeling the need to want to feel the skateboard a little different way, throw the trucks around. It's always good to have some fun. Mix it up. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. There's videos to the left. Like, comment, subscribe. Until then, leave some ideas down below so maybe we could try something. Maybe we'll get like some double hanger trucks and go backwards or something. Until then,